In this application scenario, a cartoning machine is packing and closing boxes within a safely guarded area. When assessing costs of tape reels, a decision is made to use a slightly cheaper product from another supplier. In subsequent production runs, the new tape breaks a number of times, causing the operator to stop the machine for tape adjustment. To correct the issue, the operator enters the machine through one of the many interlocked guard doors. The safety interlocks on the machine are connected via GuardLink, a single-cable linking technology, which allows communication of individual safety device data even when connected in series. This allows individual device operation to be captured and logged in Factory Talk Historian. The production manager has access to this data and notices repeated machine downtime on the cartoning machine. He also sees that it is often a specific guard door being accessed, where the tape reel is located. When discussing the reasons with the operator, a decision is made to revert back to the original tape reels. Capturing individual device operation helps identify issues that may not have been raised by the machine operator.